10 things FSM citizens need to know about our rights in the US. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Kamo Rale. Today we'll be talking about something very important to our migration communities here in the United States. Question number 2. Can FSM citizens be called immigrants? Nope, not really. FSM citizens are not classified as immigrants under US immigration law. Because of COFA, our legal status is completely different from someone coming here through typical immigration channels. This agreement means we can stay here in the US under a legal status that does not even require a visa. That's a big distinction. It's definitely something to be proud of. Question number 3. What rights do COFA citizens have? This is an important one. Under COFA, FSM citizens have the right to live, work, and study in the US without restrictions that others might face, like applying for visas. We can work legally, go to school, or travel freely in and out of the US. These are special privileges, and when I say privileges, we have to learn not to abuse it, because privileges can be taken away. These are special privileges that don't apply to others, say someone who comes here from a non-COFA country. Question number 4. Do FSM citizens need visas? Short answer, nope. Under the COFA agreement, FSM citizens don't need visa to come to or stay in the US. This part of the compact was created so we have freedom of movement and opportunity without the usual limitations. No visa, no problem. Question number 5. Does Trump deportation policy affect FSM citizens? A question I know many of us might be worrying about. The answer is a solid no. Deportation policies like those we've heard about don't apply to FSM citizens. Our legal status is protected under COFA, which is a treaty, not standard US immigration law. That's why these domestic policies don't directly impact us. Question number 6. Misconceptions about FSM citizens' residency. Alright, here is one we hear a lot. Some people think FSM citizens are required to go through the same immigration processes as everyone else, but that's wrong. Our status is completely unique. Another misconception, some people think FSM citizens can be easily deported because we are considered foreigners. Nope, our rights are backed by international agreement.